this is my Lego Man 2000, and I just wanted to make a little movie and say a couple of things and show you some stuff. First, I have, if you've ever heard of this show, I have Invader Zim and GRR. You can see him. Kind of backwards camera, hold on. Right there. GRR and Zim. And then I wanted to show you something else. Just took a shower, so my hair is kind of wet. I have the vampire, and I'll tell you something afterwards. I have the vampire, the mummy, I call him Rockbiter, the skeleton, the witch, and the werewolf. Now, this werewolf is a collectible, and so are these others. Well, most of them are, the witch and the vampire. But this guy had a head of a guy with a short mustache, like a beardish type thing. But I switched his head out with a werewolf head. It's a joke. It's a werewolf head over a werewolf head. And these, I wanted to say that if you ever see this character, GRR, Zim, or any other of the bad guys, then you give me thumbs up, please. Give me thumbs up and say who you found and at what point in the movie that you found them, and I will make some more videos. Thank you. Signing out. Salut, ya.